Hi, welcome to the tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to make a play button for the main menu. So the first step is to create a canvas. There you go. Now to make things easier, I like to grab the canvas and change the render mode from screen space overlay to screen space camera. Now we grab the main camera and we drag it onto the render camera. And now our canvas is here. Now we have to add a button to the scene, which right click on canvas, go to UI and click button, and here we have a button. So now I'll enlarge it a bit so we can see it better, and if you want to change the text, just drop this down, go onto text and write whatever you want. So I'm gonna write play, get the font size larger, and there's my button. Great. Now I'll put it in the middle of the screen, and we can now move on to the script. So I'll create a C# script and I'll name it main menu. So I'll go ahead and open it up. Okay, now for this example we can go ahead and remove this script here, and we should start by adding the libraries needed for scene management, which is using Unity engine dot scene management. So now I'm gonna write the function needed, which I will attach to my button so we can move on to the other scene. So public void, I'll name it play button. It's good to be descriptive, and there's only one line of code we need, which is just scene manager dot load scene, and you put the name of the other scene here as a string. So my other scene is called game. And that's it. So I go ahead and save this. And now what I should do is go to File, Build Settings, and add both of my scenes into the build. Otherwise it will not work. So now I drag this script onto my canvas or any other game object you'd like. Now I go onto my button, I click on the plus sign here, I drag the canvas onto here, and now I should find the script here. And now I'll go ahead and refresh, just in case it doesn't show up. Refresh my scripts, back to button, main menu, and there goes my play button. And now it's attached, and now I'll start the game and it should work just fine. And there we go to level 1. Hope you enjoy my simple tutorial, and subscribe for more tutorials and other content. Thank you.